How to solve 8 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to square root of 2. Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this equation. Please, if you are new here, kindly do subscribe, like and share the video. So let's get started. The first step we can do here is to write 8 to the power of x at its index. That is, we have 2 to the power of 3 power x minus 2 to the power of x, which is equal to square root of 2. Remember, if we have a to the power of m, n is equal to a to the power of n m. So we can apply it here. Therefore, 2 to the power of x power 3 minus 2 to the power of x is equal to square root of 2. The next step, let k to be equal to 2 to the power of x, and therefore k to the power of 3 minus k, which is equal to square root of 2. From this step, square both sides of the equation, and this square get cancelled with this square root. We left with k to the power of 3 minus k squared, which is equal to 2. Remember that if we have a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let's apply these properties to the left hand side. Therefore, k to the power of 3 squared minus 2 multiplied by k to the power of 3 times b plus b squared, which is equal to 2. And then k, this 3 multiplied by 2, we have k to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of k4 plus k squared, which is equal to 2. Move this 2 to the left, we have k to the power of 6 minus 2k to the power of 4 plus k squared minus 2, which is equal to 0. So from this step, we have k in common. We can factor k outside. Therefore, k to the power of 4 open bracket k to the power of 2 minus 2 plus 1 open bracket k to the power of 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, k to the power of 4 plus 1 k to the power of 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. K to the power of 4 plus 1 equal to 0, or k to the power of 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. From this step, k to the power of 4 is equal to negative 1, and k to the power of 2 is equal to positive 2. And remember, k is equal to 2x. So k is equal to 2x. We let k to be equal to 2x before, right? We let k to be equal to 2x. And then we can substitute the value of k to be equal to 2x. Let's start with this value. We have k to the power of 4 is equal to negative 1, and we have k to the power of 2 is equal to 2. Remember, we let k to be equal to 2x, 2 to the power of x before. Therefore, Let's substitute 2 to the power of x power 4 is equal to -1, and 2 to the power of 4x is equal to -1. This result is enforceable. Whatever the value of 2 to the power of 4x can never be equal to -1. So let's see k to the power of 2, which is equal to 2. 2 to the power of x power 2, which is equal to 2. And 2 to the power of 2x, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1. We have the same base here. 2 to the power of x, 2x, which is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2, here also by 2. These two get cancelled with these two, and we're left with x is equal to 1 over 2. So let's verify. We have 8 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to square root of 2. So let's substitute the value of x equals to 1 over 2. Therefore, 8 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 2 to the power of 1 over 2, which is equal to square root of 2. And then 8 to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of 8, minus 2 to the power of half is the same thing as square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2. And square root of 8 can be written as square root of 4 times 2 minus square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2. And square root of 4 can be written as this, multiply it by square root of 2 minus square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2. And square root of 4 is equal to 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2. And we have 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 in common, so we can factor square root of 2 outside. Square root of 2 in bracket 2 minus 1, which is equal to square root of 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1, and square root of 2 times 1 is square root of 2. Square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2, which is correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget all these steps, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos.